All right, I've got a question for you. What's soft, textured, timeless, and really adds a premium touch to just about any apparel item or accessory? Did you guess it? It's chenille. All right, the wait is finally over, and I am so excited to say that chenille is officially here. Now, why does this product matter to you? Well, Kelly Walters here, and if you are currently decorating or looking to get into the markets of sportswear and activities, schools, high-end fashion wear, maybe you're branding for corporate apparel and you're just looking for unique items, well, this right here is exactly what you need. And guess what? All you need is a heat press. Let me show you just how easy it is to apply a brand new chenille patch by using the heat press. Okay, so the first thing we are going to decorate is going to be this makeup tote bag with this incredible stuff logo. Now we are going to use just overheat on this application, so we are rocking it 360 degrees, and we have our 6x10 platen. We are going to press for 20 seconds at a medium pressure, and make sure you either use your 1/8 foam pad or your flex style application pad. Before we get started with our application, let's go over a little bit of details about the press. So we're using our auto clam. We do have our 6x10 platen in here, and for this application we are only going to use our top heating element. We're not going to have any lower heat. So that means we need to make sure that our temperature is set to 360 degrees, medium pressure, for 20 seconds. Now we do need to preheat the platen for 60 seconds, and then we are going to preheat the garment for 20 seconds. Now once this pops open, we are going to thread our cosmetic case, kind of in a scooping method to make sure we get it underneath. And one thing to take note is we do have an exposed zipper here, and I do want to make sure that we protect it, 1, from melting, and 2, from leaving any type of residue on our heating element. Let's go ahead and cover that with our flexible application pad to protect that. And then we're going to preheat this for 20 seconds. All right, from here, it's very important to note that this is extremely hot. So as we are laying our transfer, the adhesive is going to go ahead and start warming up. So make sure this is exactly the location you want, as it's already starting to set into place. Now, I will fix my flexible application pad here in just a minute. Now, whether you are using the flex style pad, flexible application pad, or you are using the 1/8 inch soft foam pad that came with the 360, either one of those works. We just need to make sure that we are protecting our embellishment. Gonna slide that flexible application pad just back over the zipper to protect it, and apply for 20 seconds at medium pressure. Now keep in mind, everything is very hot, so just delicately move that away, and then you can go ahead and remove your foam pad. Slide it off, and as you can see, our cosmetic case is complete. Now, before I show you some more examples and created garments, really just some ideas on how to have fun with chenille, I want to go over a couple of details. Now, you can choose to go classic and stay traditional with a felt background, or you can get creative and show your artistic side by going with either a metallic silver or a metallic gold background. So here we've got our W in our traditional felt background, and of course we're rocking the USA with a metallic silver background. Now you can use up to 6 colors per patch, and there are 50 thread colors to choose from. That means that's a lot of variety in colors to really bring out vibrant tones, or go a little bit more retro with some muted tones. The minimum quantity order is 25 pieces, and the largest you can go is 16 by 16 inches. Now, I do recommend block or a bold type text for this type of product. You did see the W and you did see the USA, where we were able to bring out the mascot in the W and add some star details in the USA. The really cool thing is that this product is available in both heat applied, which I just showed you, and pressure sensitive, meaning you can peel and stick that adhesive to a hard good. Now, before we're completely done with this video and you can just run to all of your customers and tell them that you can get chenille, I do want to show you how to decorate one more bag, but the important thing here is we're actually going to use our power platen. So this will give you both the upper and lower heat, reducing your temperature. 280 top, 320 bottom, and we're going to apply for 30 seconds. So if you're needing to decorate with a little less heat, consider getting a power platen to give you that lower heat, just in case you don't have one. All right, so we've got our bag threaded on to our platen. Going to take our transfer and just really put it wherever we want. We could go over the seam if we really wanted to, so the seam of this beautiful detailed piece, or of course we can go in the center. And even though I like it there, we're going to keep it in the center because this is going to be more for branding in terms of corporate purposes, or really just understanding how to brand with somebody's logo. 1/8 foam pad. Don't forget, we're still at medium pressure, and it's going to automatically open in just a few seconds. Remove that pad carefully because it will be extremely hot. And then we can just slide our bag off, and it's complete. No matter if you choose to stay focused on, say, schools or something with a little bit more of a traditional look, maybe you want to go retail with a retro vibe. Maybe you really want to focus on branding or have a lot of fun in retail. Either way, now is the time for you to get creative. Go tell your customers about all of the fun, premium products that you can produce for them. Now's the time to stand out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Happy decorating.